Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at Vitagene, a company that offers personalized health insights based on your DNA. Located at www.vitagene.com, Vitagene provides a comprehensive analysis of your genetic makeup, offering recommendations for diet, exercise, and supplementation tailored specifically to you. Their process involves a simple at-home DNA test. You collect a saliva sample, mail it in using the provided prepaid envelope, and then receive your personalized reports online. Vitagene's reports cover a wide range of areas, including dietary recommendations based on your genetic predispositions, outlining which foods might be beneficial for you and which ones you may want to limit. They also provide exercise plans customized to your DNA, suggesting optimal workouts and intensities for your body type and genetic profile. Beyond diet and fitness, Vitagene delves into supplement recommendations, identifying potential nutrient deficiencies and suggesting specific vitamins and minerals to address those needs based on your unique genetic code. What sets Vitagene apart is its focus on personalization. Instead of generic advice, you receive actionable insights derived directly from your DNA. This allows you to make more informed choices about your health, empowering you to optimize your well-being based on your genetic blueprint. By understanding how your genes influence your body's response to various factors, you can fine-tune your lifestyle for optimal health and wellness. Vitagene's website, www.vitagene.com, provides detailed information about their testing process, the science behind their analyses, and the different report options available. Exploring their site offers a comprehensive understanding of how Vitagene utilizes the power of DNA to provide personalized health guidance. With their easy-to-use platform and detailed reports, Vitagene makes personalized health accessible and understandable. So, if you're interested in learning more about your genetic predispositions and optimizing your health based on your unique DNA, check out Vitagene at www.vitagene.com. They offer a valuable tool for anyone looking to take control of their health journey and make informed decisions backed by science.